Have you ever wondered what's happening beneath your feet? There's a whole secret world of underground animals. Yes, you heard it right. Beneath the surface of our Earth, many creatures are living a life utterly unknown to us. These underground animals have developed incredible adaptations to survive in this hidden world. Imagine a world where darkness reigns supreme, where the soil is your home, and the Earth's heartbeat is your lullaby. From the tiny, tireless ants building intricate colonies to the earthworms, the unsung heroes of soil fertility. And let's not forget the moles, those solitary diggers with a keen sense for finding their meals. These creatures, and many more, have mastered the art of subterranean living, carving out their existence beneath our feet. They've turned the Earth's crust into a bustling city of life that operates 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Now that we've sparked your curiosity, let's delve deeper into this fascinating world. Scene script. First, meet the industrious architects of the underground world, the ants. Now, why do we call them architects? Well, it's because ants are extraordinary builders. They construct complex, intricate colonies that rival our cities, filled with tunnels and chambers, all designed with a precise purpose. Some are used for food storage, others for nurseries where they care for their young, and some even act as living quarters for the worker ants. But how do they manage to build these vast colonies? You see, each ant leaves behind a chemical trail, a pheromone, which other ants can follow. It's like their own GPS system, guiding them through the maze of tunnels. And speaking of work, ants are some of the hardest working creatures on the planet. They operate as a perfect team, each doing its part for the good of the colony. Some scout for food, others carry it back, and some protect the colony from predators. But it's not all about work for these little guys. Ants play a crucial role in our ecosystem too. They help to turn and aerate the soil, allowing water and oxygen to reach plant roots. Plus, they're a food source for many other creatures. In the grand scheme of things, ants might seem small and insignificant, but when you delve down into their world, you'll see that they're anything but. These tiny creatures are proof that great things often come in small packages. Next, let's explore the world of the earth movers, the earthworms. Now, these aren't your average backyard creatures. Earthworms are nature's very own soil engineers. They spend their entire lives in the dark, damp soil, munching away at the dirt and organic matter. And they aren't just eating for the sake of eating. As they consume soil, earthworms play a crucial role in the process of decomposition. This process transforms dead leaves and plants into nutrient-rich soil that helps plants grow. Now, you might be wondering, how do these wriggly creatures move through the earth? Earthworms have a unique body structure, you see. They're made up of many tiny segments, each equipped with tiny bristles. By contracting and relaxing their muscles, they push and pull themselves forward, digging tunnels as they go. So next time you spot an earthworm, remember they're more than just bait for fishing. They're natural earth movers, enriching the soil and making our world a greener place. Finally, let's meet the subterranean hunters, the moles. A world of darkness and dirt, the underground realm might seem inhospitable to some, but it's home sweet home for these fascinating creatures. Moles are the epitome of subterranean adaptation. Their bodies are designed specifically for life beneath the surface. Take a look at their hands, for instance. They're not just regular hands, they're more like powerful paddle-like digging machines. With these, moles can tunnel through soil at an impressive rate, creating intricate networks of burrows. Now, you might be wondering how moles see in the dark. The truth is, they don't see very well at all. They have very poor eyesight, but that doesn't hinder them in their underground world. Instead, they rely heavily on their sense of smell. It's their superpower, guiding them through the labyrinth of tunnels and towards their food. Speaking of food, moles are quite the gourmands of the insect world. Their diet mainly consists of earthworms and other small invertebrates. They sniff them out, track them down, and feast away. It's a subterranean smorgasbord. Just imagine, beneath our feet, there's a bustling world of tunneling, hunting, and living. It's a world that's perfectly suited to the moles. With their unique adaptations and lifestyle, moles truly are marvels of adaptation, perfectly suited to their underground lives. You may be wondering, why should we care about these underground dwellers? Well, it's simple. These animals play a crucial role in our ecosystem. They're the unsung heroes of our environment, working tirelessly beneath the surface. Through their daily activities, they help in soil aeration. By burrowing and tunneling, they allow air and water to penetrate deeper into the ground. This not only improves soil health, but also promotes the growth of plants. They're also nature's recyclers, aiding in decomposition. By breaking down organic matter, they return vital nutrients back to the soil, supporting the life cycle of our ecosystem. But that's not all. Many of these creatures are excellent at pest control. They feed on harmful insects and pests, keeping their populations in check. Understanding these animals and their roles allows us to appreciate our environment more deeply. It encourages us to protect and conserve it, ensuring these creatures continue their essential work. So, the next time you take a walk in the park, remember there's a secret world of underground animals just beneath your feet.